America is a country built on stories that sound unbelievable until you realize they're true. Imagine this. In the 1960s, the United States decided to send humans to the moon. No Google, no smartphones, computers weaker than today's calculators. Yet America said, "We're going." Millions of people worked together. Scientists, engineers, factory workers, janitors, all chasing one impossible idea. And when Apollo 11 landed on the moon, it wasn't just a scientific victory. It was proof that belief can bend reality. But America's crazy stories don't stop there. In the middle of the Great Depression, when people had no money and no hope, America didn't collapse. Instead, highways were built, bridges rose, jobs were created. The country bet on the future when the present looked broken. Fast forward to Silicon Valley. A few college dropouts in garages created companies that changed the world. Apple, Google, Microsoft. No permission, no guarantees, just ideas and risk.